Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making a Chinese-inspired stir-fry of shrimp and spinach. This is a great midweek recipe because it's really simple and it has an amazing ratio of tastiness to time. It'll be on your table in 15 minutes and no one is going to feel shortchanged. Let's start. 1 bunch of spinach, 1 pound of shrimp, 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon each of sugar and salt. Even though this is a Chinese recipe, we're going to be using a regular skillet rather than a wok. The reason is that the large flat area will allow us to cook all the shrimp at one time. Later on, when we add the spinach, the frywall will be in place to keep everything from spilling out, just like in a wok. We're going to start by adding half of the vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon to the pan. We're going to let the pan heat up until it's almost smoking. The oil is now nice and hot. We'll add the ginger and the garlic and the pepper flakes. I want to cook that down just a few seconds and then quickly add the shrimp in one layer. Cook that for about a minute and then flip it over to the other side. These have been going for about a minute. We're going to add the rest of our oil and then stir fry them for about another minute. We're now going to add the sesame seeds and our spinach and stir fry for another minute until the spinach begins to wilt. Nice to have a frywall here. Don't have to worry about anything spilling out onto your stove top. So now before the spinach is entirely wilted, we're going to add that salt and sugar. And continue stir frying for another 30 seconds to a minute until the spinach is wilted. And there we go. That's it, we're done. We're going to turn off the heat. And then add the last bit of toasted sesame oil, that last punch of flavor, and we are done. Let's get these onto a plate. I wish you could smell this. Oh my goodness. Stir fry spinach and shrimp.